Midjourney has announced a new remixing feature. Here's a couple of examples. You can take your initial image and adjust it by changing the prompt, and it will keep the general composition of the image but fine-tune it with your new words. So let's take a look at how this works. You have to type in /settings and turn on the remixing mode, which is down here on the bottom row at the end. Once that's turned on, every time you go to press V and get variations, you'll have the option to adjust the prompt, where it will regenerate a new image based on your adapted input. So you can either do that on the 4 images at the beginning that are generated, or you can do it on upscaled versions. Tap on the V, you'll bring up the original prompt, and you can change whatever you like. You can also add additional parameters at the end, for example, -- video. I might change arid into a jungle. Here is my metallic dinosaur, now in a botanical jungle-like universe. Another cool feature is that you can take old prompts, old works, and you can copy the job ID in your gallery by clicking on the 3 dots, going to copy job ID, coming back into the Discord chat, going /show and pasting the job ID. And then you'll be able to click on the V and adjust the prompt of your old work. In the announcements channel on Midjourney, they explain that a remix job is like a variation job, except you can change the prompt and settings to be anything you want. You can change the prompt text to nudge the scene towards a different style. You can see in the remix channel there are people experimenting with this feature. This person has gone from a woman with a VR headset all the way through to a golden retriever. The new remix feature gives you greater control over your art and is a great step forward in Midjourney's capabilities. If you're interested in learning more about Midjourney, I've got a course on Udemy where I go through every single feature, and I'll be adding a bonus lecture where I'll go into how to get the best out of remixing inside of Midjourney. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to stay notified on all the latest AI art news. I'm Samson Voles, and this is Delightful Design.